In this video, I will show you how you can change the background or the photos on any iPhone. Now, to do that, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. And in the App Store, just search this. Now from here, you can install any photo editing software which you like, but for this video, I will use this app. Now after you install this app on your iPhone, then just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on cutout. And from your Photos app, just select the photo of which you want to change the background. For example, I will select this photo. Now to change the background of this photo, just make sure that auto cutout has been enabled. Then tap on done. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the background of the photo. Now from here, just tap on next. Now to change the background, you can either select a solid color and you can set it as the background of the selected photo, or you can select any photo from the Photos app to set it as the background. For that, just tap on customize and select OK. From here, just select photos. And from your Photos app, just select the photo which you want to set as a background. For example, I will select this photo. Now from here, just select your subject and move it around, and you can increase or decrease the size of the subject to make sure that it fits the frame. And once you're done editing your photo, just tap on done and select save. Now just tap on save. And now if you go to your home screen and if you open the Photos app, you will find the photo of which we have changed the background. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.